The forest breathes. It is always awake. A scent. A promise of a meal. One mistake, and they vanish.
The climax of the hunt, an explosive release of stored energy, the swift and brutal kill, and the reaffirmation of the lore of the jungle. Now,
life feeds on life. This is the law. Green heart of the world. Life reaches for the sun. A kingdom of perfect balance.
And perfect innocence.
suddenly, the harmony shattered. A violent storm consumed the canopy, tearing the flock apart and casting Soul into the chaos below. The sudden tempest shatters the harmony. Instinct takes hold as the first heavy drops signal the coming deluge.
Then the sky opens.
The sudden, violent storm shatters the harmony. Soul is separated from his flock, forced into the unfamiliar world below.
The world he knew is washed away. And a journey begins. Below the sun, another world breathes. One How will this small life find its way back?
A break in the canopy reveals the river, a shimmering path through the Amazon. But even here,
The mocker drinks, unaware that it has strayed into the territory of the Amazon's apex predator. The jaguar waits. Here, life's most fragile beauty wears the sharpest teeth. And survival is an instant.
The jaguar's attack was swift, a brutal reminder of the rainforest's unforgiving laws.
After the perilous journey, a familiar sound cut through the air. It was the call of home, the promise of the flock.
He returns not just to his home, but to his place within it. A single, vibrant heartbeat in the great, green heart of the world.